Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, which is Genetech, and I'm here today to show you on how to install Active Directory and DNS, which means domain name. And first, let's open our Windows server that we created. So this is the server manager. So first step is to click the manager and add roles and features, which is there, which that is the point that we will install our Active Directory. So this is the interaction of this installation. So let's just click next. So make sure that you choose this role-based or feature installation because it figure every single adding roles and services and features. So let's next. So this is the selection on which server do we apply our Active Directory. So our server is this the win, and this is our IP address, and later I will show you the name of our directory, I mean our servers. if you done clicking it, so that's it. So next, so this is the time when we choose our directory. So this is domain name directory. So let's press this, and this is the tool and add features and add features. And next, and next, and this is the functions and functions of the Active Directory, which is insert information about users' computers. So next, so let's install it. Let's create this. Just if we done installing, it will directly reboot or restart our server and install. And let's wait for a couple of minutes until it will done installing. So as you can see, the installation is already finished, or success. And let's close this roles and feature. Next, as you can see, there's an warning notification. So let's click this, and we click this promote server controller. So this is the time when we make our own DNS. Let's make it a ITS testing that local, and let's wait, and I forgot, you must click this and type and which domain name would you choose, and for me is ITS at local. And as you finish Just press next and wait until let's wait. So this is the time when we type the directory mode and desired password. So make sure that you remember it because it is very important. So next. So we have a notification that we have no DNS server yet. So let's install the DNS. And we just click next. And let's wait. And this is the let's wait. And this is the API testing that we put our domain name, and it is an option. And if we want to change it or not, and our final decision is not to change it, but to remain it. So let's press next. Just wait. And you just press next. So this is the review of our selections. If our selection option that we created is correct, so we can view it, and we can edit it through view script. So click next. So as you can see at the top, it's successfully checked installation, and this is the view result, and this is very common, and you can fix it from the matter of time, and just click it install, and we will wait. And as soon it is done progressing, there will be rebooting if it's done. So waiting for the domain name, the installing finish. So it is already installed. So let's just reboot our server. Let's wait.
The afterglow of this daily war. I need so much more than just holy water. The wind is roaring my heavy song. It's been way too long since I almost caught
Let's
her.
wait, guys.
Baby, let me lay here a while until the day moves over. I'm hanging on, yes, I'm staying home. I need so much ground just to keep from floating. My love is roaring that heavy song. It's been way too long since I almost caught her. Baby, let me lay here a while until my heart goes over.
So it is still loading. So it is done. So let's open our server. So as you can see, it is done. So let's see if it's done installing in our Active Directory in our family, which is DNS. Let's wait. So here it is, the DNS, Active Directory that we created. So thank you for watching, and I hope you learn how to install the Active Directory and the DNS.